Hi there and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore the pivotal role that drones play in enhancing public safety and security. From aiding law enforcement to revolutionizing search and rescue operations, these aerial marvels are not just part of our industry, they're reshaping it. Join us as we delve into the latest advancements that highlight the drone's critical contributions to keeping our communities safe. In law enforcement, drones are not just tools, they're game changers. Equipped with advanced payloads like the Zenmuse H20 series, which comes with thermal cameras and high zoom lenses, these aerial assets are redefining crime scene investigations, suspect tracking, and crowd surveillance. Moreover, innovations like the DJI Dock facilitate autonomous BVLOS operations. This enables agencies to deploy their drones remotely for a variety of missions, ranging from accidental mapping, critical surveillance, enhancing both efficiency and safety, and even deploying the drone ahead of a response team. When disaster strikes, drones like the DJI M350 with its IP55 rating are on the front lines. These devices brave the elements to assess and navigate through fire, water, and debris, providing thermal imagery to locate survivors and even deliver essential supplies. Their ability to predict fire spread and enhance evacuation plans through advanced sensors and cameras has become indispensable for firefighting and search and rescue operations. The concept of drones as first responders, or DFR, has revolutionized emergency management. By providing immediate aerial insights, drones enable quicker and more informed decision-making. This helps dispatching the necessary resources and even delivering immediate aid when necessary. This evolution showcases drones not just as data collectors, but as critical responders in their own right. This bridges the gap where human responders cannot immediately reach an emergency situation. In disaster response, the ability to capture and collect detailed data is valuable. They play a crucial role in delivering emergency supplies, assessing the damage, and aiding the efficient coordination of rescue operations. By creating detailed maps and models, drones are instrumental in planning and executing disaster relief efforts. This ensures that resources are allocated where they are needed most. Drones are breaking new ground in public safety applications, such as traffic reconstruction, where they generate precise 3D models of crash sites, and emergency medical services, where their speed and agility facilitate the rapid delivery of critical medical supplies. These applications not only showcase the drone's versatility, but also their potential to significantly reduce response time and improve outcomes. As we continue to explore and expand the capability of drones, their impact on public safety and security becomes a lot more profound. With ongoing advancements in technology, drones are set to become even more integral to our emergency and security frameworks. They make our communities safer and more resilient. Stay tuned as we keep you updated on the latest developments in drone technology and its applications. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.